point M is the midpoint of Ln. Solve for x and find the length of Ln. So when you see this right here, that a point is the midpoint, that is your indication that it is the middle. And if it's the middle, then we know that both pieces are equal, so they're congruent. So we actually know by being told that it's the midpoint that LM is congruent to, that's a bad congruent symbol, MN. And since they're congruent, then we can set their measures equal to each other. So we can say LM is equal to MN. And then we can plug in what we know. We know that LM is 8x plus 2 is equal to MN, which is 10x minus 4. And we can just solve this equation for x. So we'll do one more together, but at this point you really should be knowing how to solve for x on your own. This right here is the geometry concept. Then we have the substitution, and now you're just doing pre-algebra. So let's subtract 8x from both sides. So we end up with 2 is equal to 2x minus 4. And then we can add 4 to both sides. So it ends up with 6 is equal to 2x. And then divide by 2. So x is equal to 3. But we're not finished because we also have to find the length of Ln. And Ln is the whole segment. So we know that the whole segment Ln is equal to the two pieces added together, which are Lm plus Mn. So we can fill that in with the pieces that we know. So Lm is 8x plus 2 plus Mn, which is 10x minus 4. And then we can take this value of 3 that we just found and plug it in. So that's going to be 8 times 3 plus 2 is equal to, is not equal to, is plus, because that's what we have right here. We're just bringing it down. 10 times 3 minus 4. And you could put that all in your calculator right now, or you could break it down for one more step. So 8 times 3 is 24, plus 2. 10 times 3 is 30, minus 4. And we could plug that all into our calculator and get 52. You should just confirm that with your calculator just to make sure that I didn't make a silly mistake. So the length of the whole segment is Ln, and then that is our final answer.